Hello, third graders. Today we are going to move on to geometry. We're going to be talking about quadrilaterals. So first, let's discuss what is a polygon. A polygon is a closed shape and it only has straight sides. So a circle is not a polygon because its sides are not straight. We have a triangle. This has four sides, so it's a trapezoid. And notice all of these polygons are closed and they have straight sides. So, well then what is a quadrilateral? Well, a quadrilateral is a polygon, so it has straight sides, it's closed, and it has exactly four sides and four angles. Types of quadrilaterals. Looking at all of these, we know they are all quadrilaterals because they have four sides. But we name them, they have special names. So here we have a trapezoid, a parallelogram, a rectangle, a rhombus, and a square. So these are all quadrilaterals, but they all have different names. And the reason why they have different names is because they have different features. So here's a trapezoid. A trapezoid has exactly one pair of parallel sides, or sides that never cross. So a parallel side are two sides that will never cross. You may have seen parallel lines, and so here are the parallel sides. This side and this side are parallel. Now, this side and this side are not parallel, because if they were to continue up, you can see that they're going to cross. So they are not parallel. Now we have a parallelogram, and this has two pairs of parallel sides. So this side and this side are opposite and they are parallel. Then we have this side and they are parallel. So we have a rectangle, and a rectangle has four square or four right angles. And a rectangle can also be called a parallelogram. It is a special parallelogram because it has four right angles. Now a rhombus, all sides are the same length. So a rhombus is also a special parallelogram because this side and this side are parallel, this side and this side are parallel. Now we have a square. A square has four right corners and all the sides are the same. So a square can be a parallelogram. It can also be a rhombus because the sides are the same length. So here we have a trapezoid, which is a quadrilateral. We have a parallelogram, which is a quadrilateral. We have a rectangle that is also a parallelogram and a quadrilateral. We have a rhombus that is a parallelogram and a quadrilateral. And then we have a square that is a rhombus, a parallelogram, and a quadrilateral. Let's think here. This figure is a rectangle, but it is not a square. Why is it not a square? Think to yourself, why is it not a square? What do we know about squares? One thing I know about squares is that all the sides are the same length. And this side is not the same size as this side. They're not the same length. So this is not a square because the sides are not the same length. So we're going to have some shapes pop up on the screen and we're going to name them. All right, boys and girls, this one's easy. We all know that this is a square. Very good. Well, let's look at this one. And it's very helpful to have this open. So I have this up here for you. So I can see that this one looks very similar to this one. And so this is a rhombus. Oh, well, looking here, I don't see this on here at all. And so if I look here, I do see here, though, that this side and this side are parallel. So if they are parallel, it has one pair of parallel sides because this side and this side are not parallel. So a shape that has one pair of parallel sides is a trapezoid. So this is a trapezoid. It's also a quadrilateral. It just doesn't look like the trapezoid they pushed up here. Here this says, Jay says that the figure on the left is a trapezoid. So Jay says this is a trapezoid, and Carmen says that this is a trapezoid. Well, who is correct? Well, if I look here, I have parallel, 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 parallel. This side and this side are not parallel. So yes, this is a trapezoid. This side and this side, they're not parallel. They are both trapezoids. They are both correct because both quadrilaterals just have one set of parallel sides. You are going to go into your onto the next slide. This video is in your slides. You're going to go on to the next slide. It's going to look just like this. I just wanted to show you what you need to do. Obviously, because it says circle the correct quadrilateral and write the name. Well, you're like, how do I circle it? So what you can do is you can actually move these circles. And so you will take your circle and you will move it to whichever shape you think this is talking about. So it says I have 4 right angles and all sides are the same length. I am A. The best way for you to do this is to turn to page 812 in your math book. On your next slide, I have what page number you need to turn to, so you don't need to do that right now. Page 812 will have this pulled up for you, and that will really help. So you're going to type right here, what is the shape's name, and then here you will circle the correct shape. After you're finished, please submit your answers, and thank you.